Every year, thousands of people wake up to find one side of their face weak, drooping, or unresponsive. Facial palsy doesn't just change appearance. It changes how you speak, eat, and even how you smile. Losing expression can feel devastating, but the good news is recovery is possible. With the right facial exercises, you can retrain your muscles, rebuild your smile, and regain confidence. Therapists recommend starting with gentle massages to relax and stimulate the face. Assisted smiles, eyebrow raises, blinking drills, and lip-pursing exercises help restore control. Even practicing speech sounds like pa, ma, and fa strengthens movement. Just 15 minutes a day can make a difference because repetition teaches the brain to reconnect with the muscles. Progress may be slow, but each small step is part of healing. Facial palsy may pause your expression, but it doesn't take it away forever. With patience, daily practice, and determination, you can rebuild your smile, and with it, your confidence and joy.